This runs on my desktop 24/7 and on my phone from anywhere. It's a full industrial-style control dashboard I built for my own work. No framework, no cloud service, and I built it with AI in a weekend. Let me show you exactly how. In the plant, I stare at HMIs all day, the screens that run the machines. So I built one for myself. It reads my project vault, raises alarms when work goes stale or overdue, tracks the hours I put in, and maps every device on my home network in real time. And a little AI named Diana keeps me on task. Think an eager assistant who's decided your goals are her personal mission. It's part cockpit, part accountability coach. Here's what's under the hood. The whole thing is 2 files doing the real work. One Python file, using nothing but the standard library, so there's nothing to install and nothing to break. And one HTML file for the interface. Plain JavaScript, no React, no build step. The Python server binds to every network interface on one port, so both my desktop and my phone can reach it. On startup, it spins up a background thread that pings every device on the network every 45 seconds and tracks whether each one is up, degraded, or down. I didn't handwrite most of this. I described what I wanted to an AI coding agent, and we built it piece by piece. Server, interface, then the polish. Here's the path it took. First, the core. One server that indexes my project files and answers a handful of simple data requests. The dashboard just asks it for JSON every few seconds and redraws. The network monitor runs on its own thread, so the screen never freezes while it's probing devices. Next, I wanted it always running but out of the way. So a small tray controller starts the server hidden, opens the dashboard as its own clean app window, and drops an icon in the taskbar tray. One click hides it, one click brings it back. The server never stops. The part I'm proudest of is the live network map. Every box is a real device. Router, switch, server, camera, PLC, drive. Green is healthy. It pulses when something's in alarm, and it logs the exact moment anything drops offline or comes back. It's a home lab shown the way a plant control room shows a process. Now, security. Because this is reachable from the internet. There are 2 separate keys, and they work very differently. The first is an access token the server generates itself, a random string that gets baked into the phone link. Anything coming from outside has to present it. My local desktop is trusted automatically. The second is a password that guards my saved network credentials. The password itself is never stored, only a salted hash of it, and that vault has a hard rule. It will only ever open on the local machine. Even with the right password, it refuses to unlock over the internet. And that button? That's demo mode. It's what lets me put this whole thing on YouTube. It hides every real name, address, and device the moment I flip it. This entire video is running in it. My Wi-Fi blocks devices from reaching the wired network directly, so getting this to my phone was the last puzzle. The fix is a free, secure tunnel. It gives the dashboard a temporary web address with HTTPS, and the server quietly writes that link into a note my phone already syncs. So it just shows up on my phone, no typing, and it's gated by that access token. So that's the build. One standard library Python server, one plain HTML interface, an always-on tray, a live network map, 2 layers of security, and a phone tunnel, put together with an AI coding agent over a weekend. Knowledge I used to keep in my head, now a screen that watches itself. I wrote up the full architecture, the demo-safe version, and I'll drop it in the description. If you want to see the next build, subscribe. Diana would want you to. Thanks for watching.